Hello again, folks. I'm back with another beautiful 2012 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI straight appearance package police pursuit vehicle with 116,000 miles and only 1,838 idle hours. That is correct, 1,838 idle hours. Vehicle was a former detective or admin vehicle, never used for patrol. That vehicle is very well taken care of. The paint appears to be like a gun metal gray. No door dings whatsoever. It does have some scratches here and there. I'll point those out to you. They're very light scratches. Folks, let me backtrack here. On the door dings, I do have, I do have about 2 or 3 door dings here. However, they are hardly noticeable. I just picked them up right now, and I gotta tell you, yes, they are there. So let me backtrack. Yes, it does have a few door dings. The vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape all around. Tinted windows from the department. That appears to be a medium light shade, medium shade in the rear, light shade in the front. Sorry about that, folks. I was just about to burp. One hole on the vehicle. It's right there on the trunk lid where that actual antenna is. Now, this is not magnetic. This is the actual real deal. It's not knob. It's just here for looks. Now, if you are the customer, you are buying the car, I can always remove this out of here and put a factory rubber plug in the hole, okay? That is doable. I can get that done for you. It's not gonna cost you anything. Great tires from the department. They appear to be in semi-new condition. Great looking car. Super strong, super fast, and very quiet. Once again, folks, it's got 116,000 miles with only 1,838 idle hours. Never in patrol. And the vehicle does appear to have been a former detective, admin, or maybe a high-ranking officer's vehicle. It is in very good shape. The car all around looks great. I actually love it. It is the exterior appearance package of the police pursuit vehicles. Clear lights and lessons on the front. Fog lights right there do work. Okay, the regular fog lights. That's what the car came with. No emergency equipment is built into this car. Everything was removed. Let's go inside real quick here, guys. Before I forget, this is gonna be a flex fuel unit as well. So E85, okay. Look at the paint, guys. Look at that paint. Yes, I know my detail crew does a great job in cleaning my cars all around, so they are pricey, but I do get my money's worth. Folks, as you can see, I do have a complete interior, matching interior that is. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Matching floor mats with carpeted floors, super nice. Yes, rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car. Door handles do work. Window switches do work. Everything is in place. Once again, this was not a patrol vehicle, so it does have all the bells and whistles you will need. Driver's side seat is in good shape. Passenger side seat is in great shape. I don't think people ever sat in there. I do have a factory center console here. This came with the car. Everything works. Plugs, auxiliary, everything does work in this vehicle. Whoever had it, they made sure everything was working. Perfect dash. No holes anywhere. Let's fire her up here, guys. Clean this up here a little bit for us. There it is. Pressure lights off. Folks, before I forget, stereo works. I do have 2 key fobs that came with this car. I have one here, the other one is at home. 2 key fobs, okay? Factory key fobs. All right. Let's get you to Stereo does work. It is touchscreen as well. Climate control, radio, all the settings. Cold AC, volume, AC, tuner, CD player, plug over here to charge up your phone. It is a push start. Pressure lights are off. It's got 115, but I'm gonna round it up to 116, so I am gonna be driving this car around. Honk does work. Let's go to the, oh yeah, before I forget, it's got the nice little divider here for your glasses. Map lights, no ticket lights. No ticket lights, so there it is. Let's get to the trunk real quick. Sorry guys, I gotta move quick here. Damn mosquitoes. Factory alloy wheels. Those are the 18 inchers. Nice clean trunk. It does have a donut spare with a new battery from the department. They installed that battery when the vehicle had 90,000 miles. I do have the title on hand, and I do have about 2 or 3 pages of the maintenance records of this particular vehicle. Whoever had this vehicle or was assigned to this car, they did a great job taking care of it. Guys, oh I'm sorry, let me get back to it here. I got some little tiny scratches here. I forgot to mention this earlier. Little scratches here, okay? Let me walk around to the car, and it's got one scratch here on the passenger side door. Is hardly noticeable. You can kind of see the white right there. It's not very noticeable. It kind of blends in, but if you do get up close and personal, you will see it, okay? Sorry guys, let me get back on track here. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle has been completely detailed, also has been serviced. She is road ready to go anywhere. Starting right to left here, I do have the air filter appears to be in semi-new condition, so it was probably replaced by the department. The spark plugs were done when the vehicle had 90,000 miles. I did a full synthetic oil change. I used 520 full synthetic. Transmission was also serviced. I used ATF4 Mopar parts and products along with the filter and gasket. Super cold AC. From that department, the vehicle also does have a what it appears to be a new water pump. Okay. It does have new brakes and rotors all around from the department as well, and many other things that were done to it. Little ones and twos here, but nothing major. Okay. Here she is. One last final look here. Completely serviced, guys, in and out. Once again, whoever had it, I'm not sure if this was a take-home car or what, but whoever had it did a great job, fantastic job taking care of it. It's got the heavy-duty fleet brakes with a badge in it, on it. Oh, sorry guys. Clean this up here. Once again, new brakes and rotors all around. They're heavy duty brakes, so this sucker does pull, and when you step on the brake, you're gonna feel the braking power. She holds on really good. One last final look. Once again, 2012 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI. Street appearance police pursuit vehicle here. Fully serviced, detail, ready to go. The vehicle is in immaculate running condition, and believe me when I say that. Gunmetal gray from factory, all original. Bam, there she is. All right, folks, went above my 10-minute here. This is the Crown Victoria guy. Want to thank you for taking 10 minutes of your time here and look at this video. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have a blessed weekend. Thank you. Take care and be safe out there.